Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Now for today, we're gonna be making the perfect baked salmon. This is quick and easy for a weekday meal, or it's fancy enough for a dinner party. Now if you guys are new to my channel, be sure to subscribe down below so you won't miss out on my 3 weekly recipes. I need to give a shout out to my Uncle Gus for sharing this recipe with me, which dates all the way back to 1940. Now let's get started. I have here about 1.5 pounds of salmon, and I'm sprinkling it very well with some salt and pepper. I'm also squeezing some fresh lemon juice on top. Now the bones and skin are still intact, but you can remove them if you like. Next, the salmon is going to get a generous coating of sour cream all over, and this is going to add such a delicious flavor. It's also going to lock in all that moisture and give you the perfect baked salmon. For the last part, I'm grating a bit of white onion all over the top. This is about 2 to 3 teaspoons. Be sure to spread it out evenly. The veggies that I will be baking with this are a few little mixed potatoes and some asparagus that's been drizzled well with olive oil and sprinkled with salt and pepper. Now, if you're adding your vegetables to the same pan, be sure to use ones that will cook around the same time as the salmon. This is going to take about 20 to 30 minutes in a super hot oven that's 400 degrees Fahrenheit until the internal temperature of the salmon reaches 145 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm spreading lemon slices just to make this look pretty and to infuse a bit of that lemon taste while the salmon is baking. Don't forget that the recipes are always written in the description box below. Now, once this is ready, it will smell amazing. Your house should not be smelling like a fish market. Serve this hot right out of the oven. This rich salmon will pair perfectly well with an oak-aged Chardonnay or any other good white wine. I hope you guys enjoyed this healthy, quick and easy dinner. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up and let me know your comments down below. I want to thank you so much for tuning into my channel, and I'll see you next time for another quick and easy recipe. Bye.